Hello everyone, I am Professor Monali Shirsagar. Today we will learn examples of polar curves. In last lecture we see the rules to trace the polar curves. Now we see the example how to trace the polar curve. Trace the curve for r is equal to a plus b cos theta where a is equal to b. Consider the given equation r is equal to a plus b cos theta where a equal to b. Now for first symmetry, replace theta by minus theta. If we replace in equation theta by minus theta, here we got cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos of theta. Therefore, we got the same equation r is equal to a plus b cos of theta. That is equation is unchanged. Therefore, symmetry about the initial line. Next, if we replace r by minus r, then equation is changed. Therefore, there is no symmetry about the pole. Next, if we replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta, then again equation is changed. Therefore, there is no symmetry about the line theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, only symmetric about the initial line. Next is the pole and tangent to the pole. For finding pole and tangent to the plane, we put r is equal to 0, then we got a plus b cos theta equal to 0. But here a equal to b, therefore we got a plus a cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore a get cancelled, we got 1 plus cos theta equal to 0. Therefore we got cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta is minus 1. We know value of cos theta is minus 1 when cos theta equal to cos pi. Compare this, we got value of theta is equal to pi. Therefore, here there exists at least one value, therefore curve passes through the pole. And here theta is equal to pi is the tangent to the pole. Next is the point of intersection. For point of intersection, we draw the table, form the table, or we find the values. Here we directly put the values. If theta equal to 0, then we got a plus b is equal to r. That is a plus b, 0 is the point of intersection. If we put theta equal to pi by 2, then we got a equal to r. Therefore, a pi by 2 is the point of intersection. If we put theta equal to pi, then we got r is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 pi is the point of intersection. If we put theta equal to 3 pi by 2, then we got r equal to a. Therefore, a 3 pi by 2 is the point of intersection. Next, we find direction of the tangent. That is, we find here angle phi. For this, we want derivative. Therefore, we consider the given curve r is equal to a plus b cos theta. Differentiate this, then we got dr by d theta is equal to minus b sine theta. Therefore, here we got tan theta is equal to r d theta by dr. Substitute value of dr by d theta in the equation. We take the reciprocal, then we got r upon minus b sine theta. Simplify this, put the value of r is a plus b cos theta and write minus b sine theta as it is. But here a equal to b, therefore we got the equation b upon b in bracket 1 plus cos theta upon minus b sine theta. Here b get cancelled, then we got 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta. Now substitute the value of 1 plus cos theta is minus 2 cos square theta by 2 and value of sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Simplify this, then we got minus cot theta by 2. Now tan phi is equal to minus cot theta by 2. We put the value of this cot in terms of tan. Therefore, we got tan phi is equal to tan pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now compare the angle, then we got phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now we find such values of theta at which phi is equal to pi by 2. If we put theta equal to 0, then we got phi is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, at point a plus b 0, phi is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, tangent is perpendicular to the initial line. Theta is equal to 0 at that point. Next is the region of absence. For region of absence, r is equal to a plus b cos theta, where a equal to b, we prepare the values of table of r and theta. Assume a equal to b. Then we got values of r and theta. Now by considering all these rules, we trace the curve. First we draw the x and y axis from this. Here theta denotes the straight line. Here theta equal to 0 line, theta equal to pi by 2 line, theta is equal to pi line. Now next is the point of intersection. We write here point of intersection. On theta equal to 0, point is a plus b 0. On theta equal to pi by 2, a pi by 2. On theta equal to pi, 0 pi. And on 3 pi by 2, point is a 3 pi by 2. Now next is the tangent. At the pole, tangent at the pole is we got at theta equal to pi. Here theta equal to pi is the tangent, therefore curve touches in this way. In second figure we show the curve how to touches the line theta is equal to pi. Now in next figure we see the direction to the tangent, that is the angle phi. Here angle phi is we got in between the point at the point a plus b 0, that is at theta equal to 0. At theta equal to 0, a radius vector is a plus b. Here the angle between radius vector and the tangent is 90 degree. Therefore this tangent is perpendicular to the line theta equal to 0. Therefore curve touches in this way at the line theta is equal to 0. Now by using all these points, tangent at pole and tangent at the point, we trace the smooth curve. Now by using this, we trace the smooth curve. This is the curve for the given equation. In this way, we trace the curve for the polar curves. This is so simple. Similarly, we see the next example. Trace the curve for r is equal to a by 2 1 plus cos theta. Again, first is the symmetry. R is equal to a by 2 1 plus cos theta. We replace theta by minus theta. Here, if we replace theta by minus theta, equation is unchanged. Therefore, symmetry about the initial line. Next, there is no symmetry about pole and no symmetry about the line theta equal to pi by 2. Next is the pole and the tangent at the pole. For this, we put theta r is equal to 0. Then we got theta is equal to pi. Therefore, curve passes through the pole and theta is equal to pi is the tangent at the pole. Next is the point of intersection. Put theta is equal to 0. Then we got r is equal to a by 2 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, simplify this, we got r is equal to a. In this way, we find the all point of intersection. Here we got point of intersection a0, a by 2 pi by 2, 0 pi are the point of intersection. Next, we find the tangent. Direction of the tangent for this, tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr. For this, first we find the derivative of r with respect to theta. We got here derivative is a by 2 in bracket minus sine theta. Now put the value of d theta by dr in tan phi. Therefore we got tan phi is equal to r in bracket minus 2 upon a sine theta. Simplify this, put the values. Then again we got tan phi is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Therefore we got tan phi is tan pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Therefore again we got here phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Therefore here we find such a values of theta at which phi is pi by 2. If we put theta equal to 0, then we got phi is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, at point A0, the angle between radius vector and the tangent is 90 degree. Region of absence, for this we draw the table. If we got the negative values, at which curve does not exist, but here curve exists in all the region. By using this, we trace the curve. First we draw the line theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi, theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, and put the points. Next is the tangent at the pole. We got the same. Theta equal to pi is the tangent at the pole. Therefore, curve touches to this line at the pole. Next is the tangent, direction of the tangent or angle phi. Angle phi is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Here we got at point A0, this is the tangent. Therefore, curve touches in both the way. Now here values of A lies in between 0 to A on the theta equal to 0 line. Therefore, we draw the smooth curve in between only the theta r is equal to 0 to A. Draw the smooth curve by using this tangent at pole, tangent at the point, and the point of intersection. We got the heart-like shape. This is used in cardioid, which is also called the cardioid. This is used to solve the other examples also. Therefore, remember the shape of the cardioid. This is heart-like shape.